How to make 5x progress in the gym. I've seen many of my friends and people around me not follow the advice I'm going to give you. This is surprising to me. Therefore, I've created a protocol I'm about to give will allow you to progress much faster in the gym. I want you to be serious with every step if your goal is to achieve more results in the gym. Step number 1. You are all probably familiar with the term progressive overload. In the gym, you should aim to increase your repetition range or weight every week, even if it's small. Over time, it will become more and more. It will be hard to remember all the sets and weights you have done for the next week, so for this reason, you should download from the App Store or Play Store an application that tracks your results. This might seem tedious, but it's worth it. I highly recommend Heavy, because it doesn't require a paywall for the essential features, unlike many of the other apps. According to the Hawthorne effect, humans tend to improve their results when they are aware of their progress. Step number 2. This is a huge mistake I want you to avoid. After every workout, you must eat within 3 hours, preferably as soon as possible. This allows your muscles to benefit the most. Therefore, they will recover and have more effective protein synthesis. Step number 3. Diet plays a huge role, so don't think about eating ultra-processed potato chips after a workout. The post-workout meals need to get in the right macronutrients, high complex carbohydrates, moderate protein, and moderate fat. To maximize protein synthesis, aim for 120 to 180 proteins a day. It's important to also scatter the times of protein intake over the day due to studies showing that over 40 grams of protein can't be absorbed in 1 hour. Step number 4. Ego lifting has recently become popular. If you're an ego lifter, then you're scared of making gains. Ego lifting provides nothing but harm by breaking something in your body. This is Michael. Michael goes to the gym 3 times a week. He spends 3 hours in the gym each day, 2.5 hours doing nothing, and 30 minutes ego lifting. One day, he decides to squat way above what he is capable of. The bar falls on his head and breaks his fucking neck. Michelangelo is a master of patience and pain. He goes to the gym 5 times a week, follows the rule of progressive overload, tracks, eats well, and lifts weight that is challenging but not harmful or way beyond what he is capable of. Step number 5. Sleeping. I expect many have heard this advice before, but are you actually following it? Even I myself have overlooked this many times, but recently realized how important sleep is to gymming. It makes sense, considering how important sleep is for metabolism, the development and regeneration of tissues, including our muscles, and maintaining proper memory, reaction time, and decision-making. Poor sleep could potentially put you in harm if you're lifting heavy weights. I am aware many will say, I don't have time to fix my sleeping schedule. I have studies. Think again, is this really true? Or are you wasting time on unimportant stuff like Michael over here? I want you to take into account everything I've taught you. Subscribe and like. Peace.